Hi everyone and welcome in this new video tutorial. Today we're going to build this section here. Okay, it's a featured section, very simple. This is useful for your website if you want to show some services or whatever. But the coolest part, of course, is that we are going to build it with the full theme of WordPress or any theme of WordPress. You can do this. And the only plugin we are using is the Save SVG that allows you to upload an SVG like an icon inside of the media of WordPress. So let's start right away. I created a page, very simple page here, and I usually open up the list view and start adding my components or items or how you want to call it. So I'm going to very quickly start adding this stuff here and then enter, copy this, enter. Then I see that there is some sort of spacing here, so I would go and enter and slash space, and you add a spacer, em here, and let's go with a very small spacing. And then I have this text here, so you click just below and you copy the text. So now we have those 4 items here. I would go and select all of them and just group them. You can also click here or Command G, as I like to do, and with Command G then make sure like all of those are centered. Select all of them. I mean, you cannot do that if there is a spacing. Yep, you need to select same type of text to actually, same type of item to actually change them all in once. Okay, so great. So we have this first group. Okay, that is this section, this part here. We did that. We're going to style it later. I'm just going to create the structure. So we have an icon, small title, and a text. So I'm going to click around here and then slash group, and we are going to choose this option is the grid layout. Once you select it, plus and just create another group, and this group will be actually our card. So I can also rename this to card so that is easier. Great. And here you start adding your stuff, right? I'm going to search for an icon now. So inline SVG. Be aware that you need a plugin to be able to upload SVGs on WordPress. So just as I shown you at the beginning of the video, you can actually download a free SVG plugin. Media library, I already uploaded my SVGs. So I have this star icon and then I have a text. So click on the plus button here, paragraph, text, enter, and then I'm going to add another text. And here our first card is structured. What I like to do, of course, later is to select it, and I usually like add a spacing to make those kind of spacing like between the icon and everything. So I would go here, wait one second, let me click on enter slash and slash space. Yeah, I forgot that I had to add a spacing. So space here, just change it. Also I always use em, so you can use that. A very small spacing, and once the spacing is added, click on the card, go on the style and remove the block spacing. Look, just drag it just to the beginning where you have none. And now we have the spacing here. We have the star, and looks like a lot like this one. So let's start now styling a little bit just to make it look a little bit more like this item. So the first thing, I would go here on featured, select it. I would go with the bold text and then like S, okay? And then here I will go with another bold text and then say XL. Let me just have a look. Yep. Of course, the boldness and everything is styled by the theme. You need to change the general styling of the theme to actually have all your styling correctly set it up. So powerful, okay. So there is a lot of spacing here, but this is because of the whole group. So select the whole group. We did it already, this one. Click on here, and then again block spacing reduced to none. And now it's closer. Now I select this text and go with S or M maybe, okay, or L, let's see. Should I keep it L? Yeah, let's keep it L just for showing the drawer key correctly. Okay, so now the card here. So one thing I noticed is that it's too close to each other, but let's do that later. Let's first put this title and then make it maybe M or L. M, yeah. Copy this, make it S, okay. And now we have this item set it up like that. I'm going to center this. You can also center this one. And okay, let me see. Great. So we have this. Okay, so great. So to me, it's okay. I'm going to remove this. To me, it's okay like that. I'm going now to basically duplicate the card. Okay, just to make it like on multiple. Oops, I'm not going. It's Command Shift D to actually duplicate it. Okay, and then you basically need to click on the grid. And oh, somebody is feeling bad. Anyway, wide width. Ooh, what happened here? So okay, so if you want the wide width, actually you need to make sure that this is set to manual. If you set it to manual, you say, okay, I want 3 columns, and that's it. Actually, you basically did build this. Also, you can control the spacing between the items. As you can see, there is a lot of spacing, less on the side, more on the bottom. Anyway, just for going very quickly, I would go and just block spacing, change it like that. Okay, and then look at this. We have it's too close to this block here, right? So you can just mouse hover here. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. Let me try again. Okay, so you need to click to the item here and just mouse over here. Okay, plus spacer, and again EM. Oops, not 3M, EM. And again here you set it up as you wish, like that, right? Cool. So basically it looks basically the same. Of course, what you can do here, if you want this, like, you can change the width of it by clicking on group and just wide width. And this usually need to take, like, why is not taking the space? Let me try and see what's happening here. So meanwhile, let me just change the color to violet, like the design here. Okay, and yeah, I'm just trying to understand the paragraph. Okay, because probably centered, that's why. What happened is, okay, I'm just testing here because sometimes I don't remember. Okay, so I will keep it like this. I try to check dimensions. Okay, you can change the dimension here. Oh, display or default. Okay, you can style it actually by using the option here on the right later, but I'm not taking too much time. I just wanted to show you how to structure this very quickly. What we can also do is to basically remove the title if you want to preview it. So template, I would just change template and say page no title. And then when you publish this, and basically you can check it, view page. So we have an issue here, as you can see. So let's get back and see what's going on. So probably, oh yeah, look at this. It's not align centered. So you need to basically, now I show you also some trick here that you can use. You can do that and then just click here and say copy style and just select, and right click, sorry, not right click, but on those dots here, you just go and click on paste style. Again, paste style. I will find a better way next time. Paste style, and paste style. Okay, let's see it. What's going on? Let me hard refresh. There's something. The style are not up. Oh, okay. Copy and no, sorry, we are going just to align center. I really apologize, guys. I'm messing up here. So just click on here, center it, and you are good to go. So the copy style is not actually copying the alignment. Okay, so another thing you want to check is the responsiveness, of course. And as you can see, everything gets really well responsive. The only thing is the column not changing. So on this case, we need to find a solution. Let me see if the grid option give any kind of option here. Manual. Okay, so what you can actually do if you want is to just go on auto and change it to 21 rem for the minimum column width. This is another way, probably is more responsive. Let's see. So yeah, basically, let's say that that's the best responsive way to actually make it change on different device. Okay, so we made this very quickly. Sorry for the mistakes. I'm still learning the Gutenberg 2, so that's why I'm making those videos. I'm practicing myself. I usually go on Bricks Builder, but anyway, if you want something free, quick, and like core, this is the best. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.